This is a beautiful VW Amarok. It's been styled exactly how people want them. Very aggressive with wide arches, pod lights, bull bars, upgraded 20-inch satin black multi-spoke wheels. 23,000 miles on a 23 registration, and it is VAT qualifying, which is very important. So it makes a financial business purchase, makes great sense, but then you also get to drive a fantastic looking pickup truck. With the VW Amarok, they have a massive following for reliability, spec, and the way they drive. This is a 2-litre diesel style, so from factory, has a lot of spec as standard, but then the previous customer spent quite a lot of money giving it the look that people want. These aggressive bull bars, black accents on the front bumper, which you see, wide arches in body colour, which is dark grey, metallic. Then have a look at the wheels. 20-inch satin black multi-spokes, all-terrain tyres. It's giving it that nice, almost like monster truck type look to it. Pod lights, which are fully functional as well. If you have a look, you can control those from the fob, which you see here. Fixed side steps, and then have a look at the space in the back. So the reason that people choose to buy Amaroks and similar pickups in company names is they make great financial sense, but then you can use them Monday to Friday for work if you wish, whether that's to and from building sites, offices, whatever it might be. But then on a weekend, if you have the family and you're going out, you can use it for whatever that you need to. Sports bars, also in black. 4Motion, just symbolising four-wheel drive. And then two important bits. The first one, roller shutter. Rear is already bedline. That isn't standard, by the way, which is news for a lot of people. And then Towbar. So Towbar is already fitted. It's going to save you time and money. So if you need to use this particular pickup, you're looking for one and you need to put it straight into work, you can do. So it has the Towbar, has the roller shutter, and then it has all of the exterior styling we've mentioned. On the interior, you have loads of spec as well. With it being the Amarok and the newer model, you have that monster tablet display in the centre, which has everything: climate control, camera systems, navigation, Apple CarPlay, all controlled from in there. And to be fair, that screen is bigger than some high-end cars, premium manufacturers, should I say. If you have a look at this interior, give me 2 seconds. So your climate control, you can control literally straight from here, temperature, speed, everything like that. And then if you go into reverse, start it up properly, pop it into reverse, rear view camera, front and rear sensors, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, so plenty of spec as far as the driver's concerned, and then for obviously comfort and convenience side of things. The interior is a mixture of leather and also suede. ArtVelours is what they call it in VW world. Heated seats, everything that you can want from a car really, but then there's loads of financial benefits with it being a pickup. So again, if you have been looking for one and maybe a standard one doesn't quite do it for you and you want something that's a little bit more exciting, then this is already ready made. A lot of people come to us on maybe a slightly more standard looking one and say, can you do wide arches? Can you fit pod lights? Can you upgrade the wheels? This one has already been done for you, so there's no need to waste any time or of your own money to go and do so. It's been priced very keenly. The pod lights, in case you missed them earlier, there they are. So it's a cracking truck, this. If you want to have a chat about buying it, feel free to contact me direct. My name is Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.